Woman shot and succumbed to her injuries. Her 9-year-old son also injured during the attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The bloodletting has continued in the old St. Catherine capital of Spanish Town, with a 24-year-old mother being the latest victim. The woman, who has been identified as Alicia Allwood of Mansfield Avenue in the parish, was reportedly shot and succumbed to her injuries, and her 9-year-old son was also shot and injured when their home was invaded by gunmen about 7:45 p.m. on Friday night. Reports are that residents heard loud explosion and summoned the police. On the arrival of the police, Allwood was found in a pool of blood, and her son was also found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. Allwood was pronounced dead at hospital while her son was admitted. She was reportedly out on bail for breaches of the Firearms Act at the time she was killed. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.